Do you take PHP's Opcache for granted? This customer did, and they lost 20% in performance because of it. When Opcache is configured too small, PHP is recompiling scripts in every request over and over again, and this is obviously expensive. The PHP ini settings for Opcache have 3 settings that are critical to get this right: memory consumption, maximum accelerated files, and intern strings buffer. You can look at the PHP info output of Zend Opcache for the values of free memory, intern strings free memory, and the cached keys to max keys ratio to find out if the limits are reached in your application. Or use a tool like Tideways that collects this across all your application servers, aggregates it, and notifies you if the limits are reached. You can find more about Opcache and Opcache configuration settings on our blog on tideways.com.